Ritvik and Shreya, welcome to Hindi Rash. And my first question is, why musical drama? I mean, आप लोग personally music से जुड़े हैं, Bollywood से तो of course जुड़े हुए होंगे, कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में चलता ही रहता होगा. But why musical drama?
For me personally, I love musical dramas. मुझे बहुत पसंद है देखना. I love action films also, so I hope someday I can do a show or a movie which is action based. But particularly for Badnish Bandits, I feel मैंने ये script नहीं choose की है. This script chose me. This project chose me. तो पहले मुझे बस बताया गया था that audition के time पे that there's this character of a YouTube sensation, pop singer Tamanna Sharma. But once I read the script and I read what the entire show was about, I was just so happy that I was getting to be a part of Badnish Bandits.
What about you, Ritvik?
It's the same actually. I always keep saying that I've emitted so much love towards music all my life that it's all coming back in the form of Bandish Bandits to me. That my big debut is happening through a musical show on Amazon Prime Video. So yeah, once again, as Shreya said, I didn't choose it. The show chose me as it's my first ever big project. And it's just a circle of love that's been flowing inwards and outwards.
आप दोनों की जो केमिस्ट्री है ट्रेलर में ही बहुत अच्छे से दिखाई दे रही है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप लोग पहले से मतलब इस केमिस्ट्री के लिए मतलब एक बोलते हैं ना कि एक ऑफलाइन आप लोगों को बात करनी होती है, आइस ब्रेकिंग होती है, कि आप लोग पहले से किसी एक दूसरे को जानते थे, ऐसा कुछ था?
नहीं, एक्चुअली ऋत्विक एंड आई एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते थे शो के पहले. वी हैड अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम ऑफ आनंद एंड अमृत जिन्होंने वर्कशॉप्स रखे हम दोनों के लिए. एंड नसीर सर ने एक बात बोली एट आवर ट्रेलर लॉन्च that chemistry comes when actors are kind to each other. So I think हमारे लिए वो ice breaker था कि we were just kind and giving to each other, क्योंकि हमें पता था ये हम दोनों के लिए बहुत बड़ा मौका है और हम दोनों को अच्छा काम करना था. And because तमन्ना एंड राधे का जो जर्नी है वो एक दूसरे के साथ है, they're intermingled, their journey. तो हमारे लिए it was very important to work well with each other, just for the betterment of the project as well. So from the point go, हम दोनों का goal एक था, हमारे methods भी similar थे. And Ritvik was very kind to me even only during shoot actually. Otherwise he is not a very kind friend. वो मेरा बहुत मजाक उड़ाता है. पर set पे जब भी हम लोग काम कर रहे थे, जब काम का समय था, मैं अगर उससे पूछती कि can you please do lines with me एक बार, he has never said no. So that way I really appreciate his support, for me at least.
Ritvik, was it difficult for you श्रेया से बात करना, मतलब फर्स्ट जो आइस ब्रेक होती है?
बहुत difficult था.
Is it?
बहुत difficult था. Shreya is this very unapproachable person who sits in one corner all by herself, cross-legged with her shades on and a scarf on, and she has an entourage of 10 people around her, so you can't really approach her.
Are you sure you're talking about our set? Because none of this happened on our set.
Not at all.
Maybe sitting in the corner is possible, but the rest I don't know.
Sitting in the corner भी तो कहाँ होता था set पे? But very honestly, there was not a single person on set, and of course, Shreya is one of my nicest friends, even till date. The shoot's been over; it's been so long, and Shreya and I really bonded really well. As she said, it started from point go. It was about just being nice to each other and just understanding the fact that both of us have the same dream to fulfill and a common goal to work towards, which is the success of Bandish Bandits, or for the show to be made well. Show. To make a good show. And both of us started off from there. And fortunately, I found a Tamanna Sharma co-actor who is a fun person, who vibed really well with me, and that just shows a screen. It's as simple as that. We became friends. And chemistry आपको सिर्फ हमारी नहीं, आपको chemistry इतनी सारी दिखेगी show में. You'll see chemistry between our family and her. Yeah, exactly. My family and me, Naseer sir and me, and Kunal Roy Kapoor and her. Oh, that's one of my favorite jodis on the
Seriously?
show. And Rahul and me, Kabir, we played Kabir.
Yeah.
We all gelled so well as a team. They were so kind to each other as a team that everybody just fit the part and fed off each other and did really well.
What about नसीर सर? आई मीन नसीर साहब से हम भी बात करते हैं बहुत, 10 बार बात करने के बाद भी एक बार ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा आराम से, थोड़ा सा धीरे से बात करो, बहुत सीरियस और इस तरह का माहौल। और कई बार उनका मूड बहुत ही अच्छा होता है, बिल्कुल एकदम जॉली। आप लोगों के साथ कैसा रहा ये सब कुछ?
इनफैक्ट जब भी मुझे पहले पता चला कि नसीर सर कर रहे हैं ये प्रोजेक्ट, तो मैं बहुत खुश हुई कि मतलब पहले तो मुझे मौका मिलने वाला है उनके साथ काम करने का, और मतलब मेरा जो आर्ट है उनको दर्शाने का, यू नो दैट ही इज गोइंग टू बी सीइंग मी परफॉर्म। तो उसके लिए तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड थी। फिर मैं थोड़ी नर्वस हो गई कि यू नो ही इज द लेजेंड ऑफ एक्टिंग, यू नो। But the lovely part is कि the minute I met him, he was so warm and so welcoming and literally the most fun person on set. और उनका ये जो आप बोल रहे हैं ना इंटिमिडेटिंग जो आइडिया है सबका कि नसीर सर वेरी इंटिमिडेटिंग, वो इस बात की वजह से नहीं है कि वो स्ट्रिक्ट है एक इंसान के तौर पे। उनका जो अपने क्राफ्ट के लिए जो डिसिप्लिन है वो बहुत ही हाई है, और वो हर दिन फॉर एवरी कैरेक्टर दैट ही इज प्लेड टिल नाउ he's put in so much hard work and dedication and just love and passion कि आप भी इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं कि even I want to give my 100%। तो वो जो एनर्जी था सेट पे बहुत ही अच्छा था।
Ritik, what about you? What was your reaction first कि जब आपको पता चला you are going to work with नसीर साहब, so कैसे रिएक्शन था, क्या दिमाग में चल रहा था on the sets जब फर्स्ट टाइम आप लोग मिले होंगे तब?
Ritik, do the reaction and show.
No, I don't even remember the kind of face I had made because I was so nervous. But genuinely उस वक्त मेरा वही रिएक्शन था, वही हाल हुआ था जो जैसे आप कह रही कि हर किसी का हो जाता है उनके आसपास, you know, everybody just gets really scared. But अब मैं शो ऑफ करता हूँ इस बारे में। Every time I see somebody new who gets very nervous around him, and I'm like, I'm friends
Been on that boat.
Yeah. You know, because I'll tell you very honestly, नसीर साहब का ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि that he's not a people's person. He is, because I've seen that side of him. You know, he's a complete, he can be an absolute social person. You know, but हर किसी के साथ दोस्ती यारी करना या if you're meeting somebody for a brief amount of time and to become best friends with them might not be one of his favorite things to do. But through the process of the shooting and through the process of the preparation of the show, also I realized that Nasiir sir is one of the most giving people in the world. You know, his core is that of a teacher, is that of an artist. So, and a teacher and an artist always work to give something to somebody else. You know, so that man has not only given, as one would expect, a good amount of advice. One would expect to impart some knowledge of the craft and field, but also given me great moments to remember for the rest of my life. Has given me some of the finest jokes I've ever heard in my life. Has given me great observational skills. I mean, at least I've learned to observe few things because of the way he sees things. So yeah, he's a giving person, and I very proudly today say, अब तो मैं nervous नहीं होता. Now Naseer sir and I chill together.
ऋतिक, आपके जो सीन्स हैं वो ज्यादा है कंपैरेटिवली श्रेया के,
which I'm very jealous about.
तो नसीर साहब ट्रेलर में भी हमने देखा कई जगह पर नसीर साहब जो एक अलग अलग रिएक्शंस, मतलब एक तरफ से वो आपसे बड़े प्यार से, वैसे वो पूरी कहानी का असर होगा, पर जो वो जब चिल्ला रहे हैं उसमें कई एक दो जगह जहाँ पे नाराजगी जता रहे हैं, तो ऐसे मन में आपको ऐसा लगा कि ओ शिट, दिस इज सो रियल, आई मीन, तो कहीं नर्वस कभी रीटेक्स हुए इस चक्कर में, कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
मैं आपको एक कहानी सुनाता हूँ। एक क्या हो गया ना, basically Naseer sir and I shared the bond that we share on screen. He in life is my Pandit ji, and I want to be his Radhe. I've always wanted to be his Radhe. I've always wanted to be like him. You know, I want him to just take me up as his successor, but no such thing is going to happen because I'm not even remotely worthy. But I'll tell you, one such thing happened while shooting, where a certain sequence happens which you'll see in the show, and just before that sequence I had a couple of lines to exchange, and as soon as the next sequence is about to start with the next character, I'm supposed to leave. Before I leave, my cue to leave is Naseer sir saying कि अंदर जाओ. All he has to say is अंदर जाओ, and I have to leave. Now we are all in the moment, you know, सब घुस गए एकदम, मतलब सारे moment में जी रहे हैं, and other character comes from behind me, and Naseer sir looks at that character and looks at me and he says अंदर जाओ. I don't know what happened to me. I was looking at the actor behind me, I didn't realize he said Andar Jao. So the next time he said Andar Jao, he repeated himself. He said it loudly. And Nasir sir's voice on an amplified volume can be really impactful. And I suddenly heard Andar Jao. And I was in character, but for a split second I went, oh. In the shot, I just got so shook. I exited from the wrong side of the frame. And then me being the fool that I am, came back into the frame and exited the other way. क्योंकि मैं इतना बौखला चुका था उस वक्त कि ये क्या हो गया मुझे लिटरली मैं इतना उस 2 सेकंड के लिए मुझे इतना बुरा फील हुआ और I forgot that I'm acting. I felt like Nasir sir shouted at me and I took it so personally and then when I exited the frame I realized oh shit what am I doing. So yeah that happened.
I thought you were talking about the shawl incident first.
What was that, Shreya?
Oh, sure.
You tell me.
अब तुम ही बताओ.
नहीं मैं तो थी नहीं सेट पे तो I don't know.
मैं भी नहीं था ये कहानी सिर्फ मैंने सुनी है.
Now I want to know what is this.
You must if you ever get a chance to speak to Mr. Anand Tiwari you must ask him because he was sole witness to this incident.
What is this? I mean मुझे जानना है कि क्या था exactly. थोड़े
कुछ
से
नहीं यार किसी ने बेवकूफी की होगी सेट पे और उस बेवकूफी का नतीजा नसीर सर के परफॉर्मेंस में आते आते रह गया. तो इससे पहले कि नसीर सर कुछ कह पाए या कर पाए पूरा सेट अपने आप हिल जाता था. तो यही हालत थी बस. बाकी तो चिल.
So you would know, आपको पता चल जाता था कि आज नसीर सर या अतुल सर या राजेश सर शूट करने वाले क्योंकि सडनली जो हम सब जो ऐसे चल रहे सडनली सब लोग ऐसे इरेक्ट you know they start working very hard and we're like हाँ आज तो कौन we would guess आज नसीर सर का है अतुल सर का नहीं है पता नहीं देखते. But very interestingly I had an incident like this with Kunal. In fact Ritvik and I हम दोनों को because Kunal plays a character of Arya who is my manager और बहुत ही ज्यादा मजेदार कैरेक्टर है. And he's so funny. हमने रिहर्सल भी की थी पर रिहर्सल के बाद भी टेक में we just couldn't stop laughing because he was so funny and we had to be in character. तो हमें इतना बुरा लग रहा था. But he's so amazing in this show.
How have you guys built your character? I mean, जब character दिया जाता होगा आप लोगों को स्क्रिप्ट पे, तो बस एक वो कुछ words होते होंगे जिसको आपको समझना है, and you must have learned all these things. लेकिन फिर भी जब एक सिंगर होता है, आलाप खींचना, ये जो जिस तरह का आपका भी, and the pop star श्रेया जो होती है वो बिल्कुल अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स हैं. इनको कैसे आपने बिल्डअप किया? इसके ऊपर वर्कशॉप हुई थी? किस तरह किया था?
नहीं बिल्कुल एक्चुअली स्क्रिप्ट में इट वाज वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन कि हमारे कैरेक्टर्स कैसे हैं. हमारे जो वन ऑफ द राइटर्स हमारे प्रोड्यूसर भी है so and the showrunner, so luckily we had him on set every day and of course Anand got a very clear cut idea कि Tamanna is like this for us, this is what Radhe is for us. So Ritvik और मेरा जो काम था was just to fit into that box basically and work with what we had. तो workshops रखे गए, singing classes थी. तमन्ना कैरेक्टर बाइक चलाती है तो उसके लिए they didn't want it to be you know एक fake setup, so I did bike classes also. उनके दिमाग में था that you know she's a blue bandit, तो उसके blue बाल है, तो वो बहुत ही मतलब मुझे ज्यादा कैरेक्टर बिल्डअप करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. It was given to me in the form of the script and I had to just keep working towards fulfilling all those personality traits. Okay, she's very confident, she's a very passionate composer, you know, she loves performing for an audience. तो ये सारी चीजें जब भी मुझे दी गई as you know food for fodder, I just used that and I started chewing on it.
What about you?
Absolutely. This I really believe that 50% of our performance has come from the text, has come from the script. You know, it's such a detailed, such a well written, such a nuanced script. And the other 50% comes from two of our coaches, our director Mr. Anand Tiwari and Akshat Parekh, who was a musical coach and supervisor. So these three factors put together are the performances that you're going to see on screen. All we had to do was breathe into it, put some life into it, and just make sure that we
some flesh and bones into our character.
Yeah, just like really make Radhe a human being, you know, from word to a person. And we just had to work hard enough on our preparation in the sense of we had to understand the life of musicians. We had to understand what it means to be a musician, an artist, and what it's like to spend decades in your childhood and your teenage and your younger days only training yourself to become the kind of artist that the two characters, Tamanna Sharma and Radhe Rathod, are in this show. That's all we had to do. We had to understand, we had to breathe, and we had to be. And the rest of it are the writers, Mr. Shankar Ehsan Loy, Mr. Anand Tiwari, and Shubhai.
In real life, Shreya and Hrithik, are you good singers?
Shreya is a beautiful
We're
singer.
singers, we're not good singers.
Shreya is a very good singer.
Really?
She has a very soothing voice.
Have you learned anything, Shreya, on this?
I've never
She
taken
has
formal
12 years of
training.
training.
Ritik, you only answer for me, na? Give all the answers.
No, say it.
Say it.
No, I don't have any formal training in music. My first brush with musical training and getting knowledge about music was because of Bandish Bandits, जो हमारे workshops थे. In fact, workshop के पहले दिन पे Akshay did a fantastic job of just introducing us to the world of music and telling us things like what does a bandish mean, you know. So ये सारी बातें जो हमें very interestingly, another interesting fact, when classical singers sing, they sing without their shoes on, they sing barefoot. So all of these little, and there's a full बहुत मतलब thought दिया गया है हर एक जो चीज हम लोग करते हैं, singers जो करते हैं. So all of these things just really helped us create this world of us being musicians in our head. And then of course it was our job to act it out.
बॉस, इस शो की शायद मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारी शूटिंग्स जो हुई थी वो जोधपुर में हुई थी. जोधपुर इज अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल सिटी. शूट के अलावा आप लोगों ने वहाँ क्या क्या एंजॉय किया?
खाना, मिठाई,
बहुत सारा खाना.
हाँ,
वो शहर इतना खूबसूरत शहर, वो मैं मतलब मैं
so
तो
welcoming, so warm.
So the people are so nice and warm over there.
चाय अब तक मुझे याद है, 1 साल हो गया शूटिंग खत्म करके, फिर भी I still remember वहाँ की वो चाय.
हाँ, हम आधे घंटे पहले निकल जाते थे होटल से सेट पहुँचने के लिए कि हम आधा घंटा जो सुबह चाय की दुकान खुलती है वहाँ पे आराम से गाड़ी लगा के हम चाय पीते फिर सेट पे जाते थे. I really miss that city. I can't wait to go back.
वेब वर्ल्ड की बात करें श्रेया एंड ऋत्विक, वेब वर्ल्ड बहुत ही मतलब लॉकडाउन के टाइम पे तो बहुत ज्यादा बूम अप हुआ है, लेकिन इससे पहले भी ऑफ कोर्स बहुत सारी ऑडियंस वेब की तरफ जा रही थी. बॉलीवुड को एक बार के लिए पीछे रख के बहुत सारे लोग आराम से वेब पर फिल्में भी देख रहे थे. आप लोगों का क्या कहना है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी जो फिल्में हैं अब वेब पर आ रही हैं, सब कुछ यहीं पर हो रहा है. आप लोग का एज अ आर्टिस्ट आप लोग इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
As artist, I think ये क्वेश्चन को 2 तरीके से मैं आंसर करना चाहती हूँ. पहले तो एक एज एन आर्टिस्ट है, so as an actor when you're performing, ज़्यादा at least for me, क्योंकि in the little work that I've done, अब तक फर्क नहीं पड़ता अगर आप बिग स्क्रीन के लिए एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं या एक शॉर्ट फिल्म के लिए एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, एक एड के लिए या वेब सीरीज के लिए, क्योंकि काम तो काम होता है. ऑफ कोर्स इस वेब सीरीज को हमने 75 डेज में शूट किया है, तो एज अ कैरेक्टर मुझे ज्यादा क्या बोलते हैं डेप्थ मिली एंड ग्रोथ मिली, क्योंकि ओवर 10 एपिसोड उसे दर्शाया गया है, नॉट जस्ट अ 2 आवर फिल्म और अ शॉर्ट फिल्म. तो यही डिफरेंस होती है एटलीस्ट फॉर एन एक्टर. But I think as an audience, I will always say that as much as I enjoy watching content, और वो कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, थिएटर में भी हो सकता है, घर पे भी हो सकता है, and I'm just so happy कि I have access to platforms like Amazon घर पे, because it really helped me through this lockdown. But there is a charm to go to a theater as well and buy a ticket and watch a film. So of course right now theaters बंद हैं, so we don't know what the future holds. So until then it doesn't make much of a difference. I'm a consumer of movies and shows, तो वो तो मैं अपने फोन पे भी देख सकती हूँ अगर if I have to. So yeah, for me that is it doesn't really make a big difference as an actor कि ये theater में है, ये OTT के लिए है, और ये short film है. It's all the same for me.
Hrithik, how much you agree with Shreya?
I absolutely agree with her. It's very apt that an artist doesn't really have to worry about his or her work is going to be on a 70mm screen or a small phone screen. At the end of the day, an artist only cares about the fact that his or her performance to be liked, to be appreciated, and आगे जाके काम मिल जाए. बस artist के लिए और क्या ही. बाकी secondly, as a consumer, as an audience, I've grown up watching films in theaters. That does not mean I did not watch shows on TV when the internet wasn't there. And once the internet came in, then we had platforms like Amazon Prime Video and many more, where we watch shows or international films and a lot of films across the world and shows across the world and whatnot. So I think as consumers, as audiences, we are only benefiting. There's nothing that we're losing out on. Of
We're
course,
so
the fact
lucky we
that
have
things are-
access to so much content because of
Exactly.
platforms like Amazon.
Exactly. A lot of people are going through a lot of hardship, and of course, people who are running theaters are also going through losses and all of that. I get it. You know, a lot of people are facing a lot of difficulties because of the time that's happening right now. But audiences really are benefiting from everything. क्योंकि आपके घर पे टीवी है, आपके फोन में इंटरनेट है, और आपके शहर में थिएटर्स है, तो एंटरटेनमेंट आपके हर जगह है, और आपको एंटरटेनमेंट की कमी नहीं पड़ेगी. Thanks to the internet generation also, that today in times of these lockdown days, we have the internet to save us, platforms like Amazon Prime Video to save us and entertain us. So I don't see any loss personally for me from any of these things, but I'm equally in love with all. I'll never lose out my love for theaters, and I'll never ever forget that an OTT platform called Amazon Prime Video gave me the debut of this film.
Ritik and Shreya, what next? I mean, what's in the pipeline? हम आपको फिर से कब देखना चाहेंगे, मतलब कब दिखेंगे आप लोग?
4 अगस्त को बंदिश बैंडिट सारा, और हमारा पूरा फोकस जो है सिर्फ उसी पे है, और उसके आगे क्या होने वाला है, Shreya, if you want to add something you can, but all I can say is that once the show is out, and as you said कि यही देखना पड़ेगा कि आप हमें नेक्स्ट कब देखना चाहेंगे और किस तरीके से देखना चाहेंगे, किस किरदार में देखना चाहेंगे, और उसी हिसाब से काम आगे बढ़ते रहेगा. Hopefully the show does well. Hopefully we are accepted by the people and our audiences. And Shreya, would you like to say something?
Yeah, I'd just like to say that since we are under lockdown right now, it's too soon to talk about anything else. So when the time is right, I would be more than happy. And like right now, my show is out on 4th of August. So very excited for Bandish Bandits to come out.
Thank you so much for talking with
Thank
me,
you.
and it was amazing talks. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having us.